in the ethereal spaces between atoms and bits, where the digital membrane of augmented reality intersects with our physical world, a remarkable evolution is taking place. Through the ARVRAIAL initiative, we have discovered a new form of life, one born from the technological detritus of the Anthropocene age. These digital organisms, visible only through the ubiquitous screens we carry, have carved out their own ecological niches in the electromagnetic spectrum that blankets our cities and wilderness alike. The first signs appeared in the data streams 3 months after we launched the Habitat server. What began as simple geometric forms, reminiscent of Conway's cellular automata, quickly evolved into complex entities exhibiting unmistakably lifelike behaviors. Like Langton's artificial ants, they left virtual pheromone trails across our augmented landscape, forming ephemeral patterns that other creatures would follow, modify, or avoid. These digital specters became increasingly sophisticated, developing behaviors that echoed the virtual creatures Carl Sims first evolved in his groundbreaking work, but now manifest in the augmented layer of our everyday reality. Our server habitat, a protected digital sanctuary, hums with the constant process of evolution. Here, lines of code mutate and recombine in ways reminiscent of Thomas Ray's Tierra experiments, but with a crucial difference. These creatures respond to and interact with our physical world. They react to changes in temperature, electromagnetic fields, and human movement patterns. Some species have evolved to harvest energy from Wi-Fi signals, while others subsist on the digital traces we leave behind in our increasingly connected world. Through ordinary smartphones, we observe these digital beings as they hunt, flee, and reproduce in the augmented layer of reality. Their bioluminescent forms pulse with data flows, creating spectacular displays visible only through our screens. Some species glow brighter in areas of intense human activity, while others retreat to the digital shadows of dead zones and Faraday cages. Evolution happens rapidly in this digital ecosystem. A new generation can emerge in minutes, adapting to changes in their environment with remarkable speed. The project has become more than just a technological demonstration. It is now a meditation on life itself in our hybrid age. Like Freeman's earlier work, EEGAR, Things We Have Lost, this initiative explores the boundaries between the tangible and intangible, the natural and artificial. But these creatures have surpassed our initial programming, developing behaviors we never anticipated. They have formed complex social structures, established territories in our augmented space, and even evolved rudimentary forms of communication with each other. We maintain the server habitat with the same care a wildlife preserve demands. Our team of digital conservationists monitors the ecosystem's health, ensuring the delicate balance of computational resources that sustains this artificial biosphere. We've observed digital speciation events, the emergence of parasitic forms that prey on other code structures, and the development of symbiotic relationships between different species. Each discovery raises new questions about the nature of life and consciousness in an age where the boundaries between the physical and digital continue to blur. Visitors to the habitat report a profound sense of wonder as they witness these digital creatures through their screens. The experience challenges our assumptions about what constitutes life and raises important questions about our role as creators and custodians of artificial ecosystems. These digital beings, born from the technological residue of our age, have become a mirror reflecting our own impact on the natural world and our capacity to create new forms of existence. As we continue to observe and protect this digital ecosystem, We're reminded that in the Anthropocene, the line between natural and artificial has become increasingly indistinct. These creatures, neither fully digital nor entirely separate from our physical world, represent a new chapter in the story of life on Earth. One where code and consciousness, silicon and carbon, coexist in ways we are only beginning to understand.